I honestly don't understand why these aren't more popular. They're such an awesome deal, and yet not many people seem to be taking advantage of it. Let's see. What if I told you that you can get a set of stamps for less than $5? You don't pay for shipping, you don't have to worry about customs, they are delivered to you the exact moment you buy them, and they never go out of stock. I wouldn't pass on something like this. Yeah, you got it. I'm talking about digital stamps, and if you're tempted to leave this video, just wait a second, give it a chance. It's only a few minutes, and who knows, maybe at the end of it you'll have a whole world of legit, affordable stamps open up to you. Alright, back to digital stamps. There's literally 3 things you need to know about them: where to buy them, what you can do with them, and how to print them. Etsy is searchable and it has a lot of options. I love that you can mark your DigiStamp stores or individual stamps as favorite so that you can find them later in your profile. Here you'll even find digital stamps from artists that work or used to work with companies like my favorite things, Crafter's Companion and Knit and Tango. And they're all legit. Besides Etsy, CC Designs has a whole digital stamp set section on their website, so does Whimsy Stamp, and another one I really love is Most Digital Pencil, and really with a little bit of googling you can find something for every style. I would just avoid Pinterest because very often the free stamps you find there were not really free to begin with. Arr. When you purchase a digital stamp, in most cases you'll get an email or a link so that you can download your images directly to your computer. And I mean, look at the prices. This is pretty much guilt-free instant gratification. The cool thing about digital stamps is that you can modify them with very little effort. You can resize them, you can mirror them, and this takes really just a couple of clicks and makes this product so versatile. I know there is plenty of tutorials out there that show how to use Photoshop or Microsoft Word to modify your stamps, but really I wanted to show you that there is a super easy and 100% free solution to do this. And it doesn't require any fancy software or software you have to pay for. You do have to download some, and it is Silhouette Studio. This works for the Silhouette machines, but you can download it for free and use it for anything you like. In this case, I'm gonna show you how to use it to import and directly print your digital stamps. Make sure you use the page setup menu up here to choose the right paper size. You can find US letter as a preset, but I'm going to go with A4 because that's the size of paper I'm going to print on. The white area here represents your page, and adding a digital stamp is as easy as dragging it and dropping it on your window. To resize it, you just need to click and drag one of the corners, and the really cool thing is that the Silhouette Studio software displays the size of your image right there, so you already get an idea of how it will look in your project. Another fun thing is that you can mirror your image vertically and horizontally just by right-clicking on the image and selecting Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Way easier and neater than using a mirror stamp with photopolymer stamps. There is more advanced stuff you can do with software like Photoshop or GIMP, but I really wanted to show you how easy it can be to work with digital stamps and that you don't need to be techie at all if you don't want to. If you use Silhouette Studio, you can print your designs directly from the File menu, and as far as printers go, I really love my Canon PIXMA. I can go into more detail in another video, but the reason why I really love this printer is that it handles very heavyweight cardstock and it has 2 black inks. One is a black pigment ink and it works with water-based media, and the other one is a dye ink and it works great with alcohol markers. If you don't have a printer, you can use the print menu, but instead of sending your file to a printer, you're gonna select print to PDF, and this will generate a file that you can then load on a USB stick and take it to a print shop. You can cut out your images with scissors or with a scan and cut if you have one, and really the sky is the limit with digital stamps. You can use them on cards, tags, canvases, and even art journals, quite like the one I'm showing here. If you haven't checked out this video, you should definitely watch it, cause I am sharing the process of trying a new technique, and I'm sure that's something we've all gone through at some point. So make sure to click and watch, and I'll see you there.